Hey everyone, welcome to Thursday's Writing. We have some important work to do today. I am so impressed with all of your opinion writing, but now it's time to take a closer look. Today what I'm going to teach you is that writers check over their work carefully before sharing it with others, making sure it's clear and easy to read. If you remember, we have taken a look at our checklists many times. So I want to take a look at this one more time before I show you my work for the day. Here's our editing checklist. As you can see right here, the number one thing, I can read my writing. You have to make sure you can read it. The second thing here is I wrote a letter for each sound. That means you were stretching out your words, putting down a vowel for every syllable in a word, listening what sound comes at the beginning, middle, and end. Also, using the word wall. Those are your snap words. You have some of those at your house, I bet, that could help you out. Here's the very important putting spaces between your words. This makes it super easy to read if you remember to put spaces between your words. This one we kind of have trouble with at times. Remember, you have to use your lowercase letters, not your uppercase. This next post-it talks about those capital letters. You only get to use them at the start of your sentence. It's like that letter is leading the parade of your sentence. And finally, you have to make sure you've put a period at the end of your sentences, or maybe an exclamation point or a question mark. I want to show you what I've been working on, and we are going to use that checklist to see if I remembered. Sorry, it got out of focus. Here we go. I have to see if I remembered to do all those things. Okay, I was writing about why I think dogs are the best pets. And I first have to see if I can read my writing. Dogs are the best because I think I came across a problem already. I can see 3 of my snap words, but I smushed them all together. Oh, do I try to write right over the top? No, I can just put a Band-Aid on it. A Band-Aid just means I'm going to put a line right across it. Okay, you might not be able to see that with my pink marker. I'll go back and use my blue. I just put a line through it. And now I'm going to write it up above. So now I'm going to write you. I have to remember that space. I can either use my finger or a pen. Can play. Oh, that made it so much easier to read now that I left those spaces. Wait, what? You saw another mistake I made? Dogs are... What did I do with that T? I made it capital. It can't be a capital T. It's not the start of the sentence. I'm going to put a Band-Aid through. And I'm going to write it right up here. T-H-E. Oh, now I remember to use my lowercase letters. Dogs are the best because you can play fetch. Uh-oh, what's wrong with that F? Yeah, you're right, I used an uppercase. So I'm going to put a Band-Aid on. I might even put it down here. F-E-T-C-H. Okay, I had a little more room there. Okay, and I remembered my period. Okay, ooh. If I have a period there, this word is next in my sentence. It's a brand new sentence. I have to use my capital Y. Band-Aid through. Y-O-U. You can take. What's wrong with that E? Has to be lowercase, Mrs. Schultz. Okay, I'm crossing it out. T-A-K-E. You can take the dog fur. I forgot my space. Okay. Band-Aid. Dog. Leave a space. For a walk. What did I forget at the end of my sentence? You're right, a period. Okay, now I think I'm ready to share this with somebody. I'm going to read it one more time. Dogs are the best because you can play fetch. You can take the dog for a walk. I think it's ready to share now. Would you like to see what I would like to know your opinion on today? Let's take a look here. Here's that checklist, but here's what we want to know. Which food would you rather eat for breakfast? Bacon and eggs or cereal? Maybe you're one of those kids that really likes to have a big breakfast in the morning. Bacon, eggs, toast, sausage. Or maybe you prefer a bowl of cereal. Maybe not Fruit Loops, but maybe you enjoy Frosted Flakes or Cheerios. I prefer Honey Nut Cheerios. So today as you're writing, we want to know, which food would you rather eat for breakfast? Bacon and eggs or cereal? Have fun writing. We'll make sure to post the editing checklist up on as well. That way your family can have that showing while you do your work. Have fun. Off you go.